Hi, welcome to Fun Toys with the Boys. Welcome to Fun Toys with the Boys. We're opening magic tracks.
We're opening magic tracks.
Because they come from BJ's.
It came from BJ's. Yes, it did.
Hey, let's unbox it now. So we unbox the box.
Okay, let's do it. You want to help Mommy take it out?
Yeah. I'm opening this now. What is this?
That's the car. And what else is there, Jaden?
The tracks.
The tracks. What color is that?
Green.
What else is there? Check it out. Take out everything that's in the box. Blue, yellow, and red.
Huh?
Whoa!
And they have stickers too.
And they have stickers too.
For the car.
And that's for the car. Okay.
Where's to get this out first?
You want to put it together?
Yeah.
Can you show Mommy the car? I want to see the car. Let's show them the car. Okay. Alright, let's put it together first. Hi guys. Alright, so we're ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
I did it.
How do you do it? Whoa! Whoa!
Turn off the light.
Sure.
Daddy, turn off the light. Then it's getting low.
Whoa! Whoa! You let Mark do it. You let Mark do it. Maybe Mark can do it on the other track. So cool, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Can you move this track while it's walking? Nice. Put it into a shape, Jaden. Put it into a shape. There you go.
No, Marky.
Mark wants to stay. put the car back in the track, Mark. Put it back in the car, in the track. There you go. Put him in the middle. Put Mark in the middle. Whoa! That is so cool. Batteries included?
Yeah.
No. You like it?
Yeah.
It's fun?
Yeah. Let's put it on.
Nice. Nice. That is so cool. You think it can go around and around too?
Yeah.
Like it's walking? Can you try that? Yep. You gotta turn off the car. Turn off the car first. Let's try it.
Let's see if we can do this.
Yes, let's see if it's gonna do that. Nice. Nice. So cool. Do it on that side, Jaden. So cool.
I use the road too.
What do you do?
Roll.
Roll? Nice. It's walking, right? Look, Mark is just staring at it. One more time. So cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is a strong car right here. Are you happy with the toy?
Yeah.
You happy, Marky? Marky. What? It's too high. Yay! Yay!
This.
Let Mark do it, Jaden. Nice. So nice.
Can we turn off the more light?
You want to turn off more lights?
Yeah. Hey, Marky, stop it!
Alright. No more lights. No more lights. Good job, Marky. Good job. Good job. Good job, Kuya. Yay!